So we're in St. Johns County, Florida, and there's a nature trail. It's a short one, but we're gonna see. Maybe we'll see a bobcat. This is really kind of nice. You can see the main road over there through the trees if you look close. Lots of ferns.
We're very near a WaWa. You can see people come out here with their WaWa cups and enjoy nature and then chuck their plastic into the swamp.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't do this. Don't do this.
Doesn't even need to be said. You are a bad person if you do this. Like, look within.
Look within.
Because if you're doing this, you're doing worse stuff. You gotta stop.
Yes.
You gotta repent.
You gotta repent. It's so pretty out here, though. Look at this.
Yeah, there's a highway right there.
Yeah, it's so close to not pretty. Oh, I gotta set this bottle down so I can walk by. Hey, look. 2 squirrels over there just on that tree.
Where?
Right over there, see? Right.
Oh, look at them.
Just hanging out.
I guess that's what squirrels do when they're just relaxing. They just start sitting there.
Yes, so. Cute little guys. We were at one swampy area down in Gulf Shores. There was a wayside talking about how swamps are the lungs of the ecosystem.
Man, that is the truest thing I've ever read on a wayside.
Look at that black water.
My glasses are tinted pink, so everything looks purple.
There goes a buzzard. Look at that, it's just so pretty.
Wait, look, is that an eagle?
That's a buzzard.
It's a buzzard. He's beautiful.
That's so pretty. You can look down creek, down river. Up here you can see where modernity cuts through nature. This must be a kayak launch. Some kind of a boat launch. So I was actually hoping this might be a little longer than it is, but this is very pleasant and pretty.
This trail?
Yeah, I love this school trail. This is great. And we'll see you on the next video down the road somewhere.